We used to be Good Times on the Legacy Market, and then now we're Lit by the Lake. We're a legal New York cannabis microbusiness. And I mean, we've been using AirROS now for 6-ish years.
What were some of the problems that you dealt with before, using AirROS?
We dealt with powdery mildew a little bit. So before, like, it would, keep popping up and keep showing up randomly, like usually mid-late flower. And then when we switched to AirROS, it has helped mitigate a lot of the issues we were having. And then now being on the legal market, we noticed a big difference with lab testing for the dry room, like having it in the dry room for like aerobic bacteria and the mold and mildew counts and stuff like that.
That's awesome. And what's that shiny medal around your neck? What did you guys win?
We won first place at the MJ Bowl for best flower in New York.
Awesome. Would you recommend AirROS to any other cultivator or grower?
Oh yeah, I think everyone should run it. Not even just for like the help with that, but it also has a nice effect of not being able to smell it anywhere else. So like that way outside your facility it's not going to smell.
Does it affect terpenes at all?
No, not at all. We haven't had any like change in ones that we grew before that we still grow now. It's the same.
And how's the final product?
It's great. It's great. Like I can't say enough about you guys.